buenos días. A joke in Espanol is un chiste, all right? Now, if you're going to laugh at un chiste in Espanol, you don't say this. This is a. You don't say that because you don't want to sound like un chimpancé, a. Or you don't want to sound like a seal, which is una foca, a. Right? And I think I could, if I could be bothered, I would put a little image of a seal on my video, but I can't be bothered, so you just have to imaginar the foca. So to make a h sound in Espanol, you use the letter J. J makes a h sound. So when your amigos send you un chiste, text you un chiste, then you're going to write back ha ha ha, and you can explain to your amigo that you're writing ha 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 because you're learning Espanol and you don't want to sound like a seal, you don't want to sound like una foca. The word for relax in Espanol is relajar. Nice easy word, no es difícil. All right, so you can remember relajar, can't you? And it's nice to learn Espanol with un chiste because it's nice, it's good to relajar. And finalmente for today, so you've got what, 3-4 words that you're going to remember from today. You're going to remember un chiste, you're going to remember to write ha ha ha, you're going to remember that to relax is relajajaja, and the word for orange is una naranja. And in English, you might like to know this, I love this little thing. In English, apparently, an orange used to be called a norange, but norange became orange because a norange became an orange. But I like norange because it's closer to naranja, which is the Spanish word for the colour and for la fruta. So you could ask un amigo, what's the funniest fruta in Espanol? And the answer, of course, is una naranja. Right. So I will see you next week with un poco más de español. Quiero conversaciones en español. That was from yesterday, I think. What else have we learned? Oh, so many things like español es similar al inglés. And today you've learned un chiste. Right. Adios. Have a good weekend. Adios.